Okay, this is Tiberius. You speak? Hey, I didn't drive it. Yeah. A little over 4.5 months old. Got a great attitude. Super well raised in a great puppy raiser home. Getting lots of experience traveling, going to competition herding. Been all over the place. Check. Seen his protection videos. This guy's got a lot of drive. Yeah. This is a Mimi by Zed puppy. Gonna be a big guy. He's just short of 40 pounds right now. Boy. Knows all kinds of behaviors. Oh. Had a hard day today. Traveled here from Nashville today to Frankfurt. Long trip. Travels perfectly. Crates well. Clean-natured guy. Over. Come. Sit. Good boy. Swing. He's got great focus, great attitude, very willing to please. Don't worry about those ears. They're going to stand up perfect. Very brave, outgoing puppy. Come on. Not afraid of anything. Come. Sit. Down. Good. Sit. I can drop it. Shake. Okay. So that's a little information about Captain T.